came up with an energy model that showed where the energy would be going if we had designed a typical laboratory with typical systems that just met Title 24 or ASHRAE 90.1. And then we put in the middle of that pie chart, our target energy budget. And the target energy budget is what we would be able to produce with a photovoltaic system. So we knew, okay, well, here's where we start. Here's where you have to go. We need to get into that the small ring in the middle. And one of the things that hit us, of course, is that the plug loads, that includes the laboratory equipment and process and such, was 47% of the overall energy use of the building. But if you also look at it, heating, cooling, pumps, and fans are the second largest use, and that is the 16.8 to 16%. So a very large portion of the energy use, and this is something we see a lot in laboratories, is the HVAC system. We started by thinking about the architecture. What can we do with the building to lower its energy consumption? So the thin floor plate that allowed for better daylighting and natural ventilation was the first set of strategies, and that was put together. Sunshades, all building orientation, all that. And that amounted to 7% reduction in energy use. The next thing that we looked at was the significantly more energy efficient HVAC system and lighting. And you can see that resulted in a 42% reduction in energy use. So that was the single largest thing that we could do to reduce energy for the building. We then started looking at what if the plug loads were much more efficient, and how would we do that, and how far would we need to go? And that was one where we had to go outside of the traditional roles of we're just designers of a building shell and the researchers will do whatever they want. We really had to interact with the folks from the Venter Institute and talk to them about their plug loads, and they were willing to do that. And as a consequence, we put it all together with the plug load reduction of being able to get to a 73% reduction compared to a typical laboratory.